we're going to analyze rational functions. We're going to do as much analysis as we can algebraically before we graph it. And the first problem we're going to do is one with the degree of the polynomial in the numerator is equal to the degree of the polynomial in the denominator. In this case, they're both squared. So we know that when that happens, the horizontal asymptote is y equals, and we take the leading coefficient of the numerator and divide it by the leading coefficient of the denominator, which is 2. So that's one piece of information. The next is vertical asymptotes. To find vertical asymptote, we look for zeros of the denominator. So I take x squared minus 4 and set it equal to 0. I know that x squared minus 4 factors to x plus 2, x minus 2 equals 0, which means x equals a negative 2 and x equals 2 are my vertical asymptotes. All right, let's talk about intercepts. So the first thing is zeros itself, or x-intercepts. I simply have to look at the numerator and set 2x squared minus 2 equal to 0. And let's factor that. 2x squared minus 1 equals 0. So 2 now is x plus 1, x minus 1. So when x equals negative 1 or x equals 1, those are now my zeros, or my x-intercepts. The last thing we want to think of is the y-intercept. And the y-intercept is simply the function evaluated at 0. So f of 0 above is simply 2 times 0 squared minus 2 over 0 squared minus 4, negative 2 over 4, or positive 1/2. All right, and let's just analyze our graph to make sure we see how we did. I got the function here. All right, we found our zeros to be 1 and negative 1. We found our y-intercept to be positive 0.5. And then you can see where we've got some asymptotes here at x equals 2 and x equals negative 2. Those are our vertical asymptotes. And then the horizontal asymptote was at y equals 2. We got it.